Ooh, look at that. We got our first partnership deal. That's right. I am one of the BitK game developers. My name is Title Pending, and this is an official BitK video. I'll be putting it on the official BitK channel, PlayBitke for all, and I'll be putting it on my Title Pending channel for just because I put random stuff on there. That's what that channel's for. Oh boy. Anyway, this is huge. This is Player Mint. I will be talking more about Player Mint and what they are in other videos. But I'm really going to be talking about this partnership deal and why we're just what this is all about. So let's get the more scripted portion of this video with our official announcement. I'm going to do a dramatic reading of the official announcement so you know how it should sound. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone. Our first partnership has finally gone through. The project is called Player Mint. Player Mint interconnects with solid games and offers skill-based rewards via gameplay for their users. And they also have an upcoming marketplace. Their token is called PMX. Given this, they already are testing their Fortnite API, and you can get to know more if you join their Discord server. Typo, sorry, let me get rid of that. With this partnership, we intend to provide the BitK products and NFTs as to host tournaments with PMX rewards, custom outfits with the Player Mint brand, and bring both communities closer during our alpha and with their playtest. We're more than excited to see how both communities react over time. Player Mint announcements on this Discord server. You can join Player Mint here and check Player Mint website and understand the ecosystem. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so that's a dramatic read. So yeah, here's the thing. So what I ended up doing here is that I had to basically like make these videos things, just some behind the scenes. Oh my gosh. Oh no, hopefully it wasn't bad news. I'm not going to read it. But anyway, I had to make all these animations. Now here's the thing, trying not to be like, AAA game developer studios where we fake our stuff. These are all done in Engine. So let's play one of these really quick, make it big and beautiful. You got it, right? So what ended up happening is that we have the situation where I'm actually going here into the engine. Where's the engine? And I actually made this thing here. Let me open up the engine. We use Godot, the Godot game engine, because well, it's open source, and we like open source stuff. That's why we like Cardano. We like open source things, right? I mean, Unity is amazing. Unreal's fantastic. There's a lot of great stuff on Unreal, but we like to develop with some open source niceties. And let me open here where I actually developed all this wonderful things. If you like the behind the scenes stuff, looking for BitK. So much, it's like two or 3 years of development on here. Sorry, it gets a bit much. All right, let me look over here. And let me find it. Let me find the character viewer. So instead of just like making these animations and just singlet standalones, this is actually part of the game where you'll be able to look at your characters, which is kind of really cool. So I'm just going to go through some of the things that I worked on the last like 48 hours. We've got this thing where this will actually change the animations. Or sorry, through the animation player in Godot, we can actually change the colors and skins. So there are going to be more elaborate skins. I do apologize. This thing broke. That's why it took me 48 hours. But with that in mind, we now have these player animations, right? We're going to have different, different animations here, dying, so forth and so on. Now, it's really cool as this is a preview thing. I can put in like swing dancing here, right? Yay. And I can actually, when we get this system up and running, you'll be able to preview your character, like how they will look, so forth and so on. And that's what I like. I like the fact that we make actual systems, or at least start systems, as we work, with the project in actual engine, so forth and so on. That way it's not a waste, and we can get closer to like delivering more awesome gameplay footage, so forth and so on, right? So there you go. Just a little bit behind the scenes on what's going on. I wanted to do a quick update. Whoa, we got a lot of debugging to do later on. And welcome all those who come. We are really going to try to do the best to give the most fun experience that you can have with friends. With I wish I could show you some more of our networking code, but that's going to be Alex in a later video. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I definitely got to sleep before I go to my day job, though. Still, I got a day job to go to. But Everything else is amazing. If you like these rambling videos, tell me. Tell me in the community if you're in the Discord. If you see this on YouTube, hit me up on YouTube. Just tell me I want you to ramble more. Show me more of the cool stuff behind the scenes. Or if you want to be more professional and just me reading things in a very dramatic tone, tell me you want just more short videos that are just talking specifically about the project. I want to know. I need some feedback. I'll catch you on the next one. Remember, be kind to other people, survive, be alive, and always look for those wonderful opportunities. Bye.